Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and I know it's been a while since I've been on this channel. I am bringing the heat today. It's all about the summer outfits. It's around the corner and I got you covered. If you want to see what I recommend for you to wear to the barbecues, the cookouts, the concerts, all that cute stuff, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay dolls, so we are going to get started. I am doing this haul from Jurllyshe and I'm starting with this jacket. It's basically like a Letterman jacket. The material is pretty nice along the sleeves and the bottoms. These are not real patches, it's just a print, but it's still cute and I do like how the shape is. This is what I had underneath. It's a two-piece set. It does say Tom Ford. Everything is inspired from this website. Like I mentioned, it's a fast fashion website, so you get what you pay for. And this is a Celine inspired top, which is really cute. In fact, I wore this with a bathing suit this weekend and I absolutely love this top. It will stay in rotation, honey. So I really like the way that this shirt feels. It has like a really nice stretchy, comfortable material. It's lightweight. It's really popular, gallery department inspired. I'm going to probably cut down the top in the middle just so I can wear it in a knot. I've seen that all over social media. I'll probably style it with some army fatigue pants or skirts. And yeah, I'm really feeling these pieces because if you don't want to spend the money, if you use your money for something else, but you want the look, girl, go to the website. Okay, so this dress I really like. You can wear it short like you see here, or you can wear it long. I think it's really sexy because it is made out of mesh and I love the design on the front. It's serving body, honey. Like, get into it. But yeah, I really do, again, like the material. It's super stretchy. I like to show you guys what the stretch is like because I am up and down with my weight and I want y'all to be able to shop with confidence. So this particular item, I believe I got in a 2X. This is given Essentials brand inspired. I really like the way this fabric feels. I haven't done my research to know if this is accurate material or not, but this material is comfortable. It's given like Skims inspired, but regardless, it's very cute on. All of these items I believe will look really good in pictures. They'll look really good for if you're going out to like a day party or barbecue. This dress is also serving body because of the silhouette. These designs have been really popular with the I believe it's Jean Paul Gaultier. So yeah, I like it. And I love the low back because, you know, it's about to be really hot outside. Now this dress right here, girl, it's going to get me a couple of bottles bought in a club. It's going to have some, you know, money in my shirt when I leave. Like, this dress is really bad. Like, when I say really bad, I mean really bad. Like, city girls bad. Like, you're going to be acting bad all summer. I love the shininess on the top and I love the metallic shimmery on the bottom. Again, you can make it even shorter. I don't need to go any shorter because this dress is too small, but girl, I'm gonna keep it because I like it and it's making me feel sexy. So yes. Now this particular set, I was not sure about it because the print is kind of, you know, simulated, like it's white on the inside but it's not on the outside kind of thing. But I do like it. I think it's really charming and cute. I would even wear like a visor with this, like trying to get on my preppiness, you know. But anyways, I would wear this. It's really stretchy, y'all. Really surprised on that. And yeah, I would recommend this website if you want to spend less but look good and get a couple of wears out of it. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. I'm going to leave the details to everything down below as far as where I got it from, the size that I got it in, and of course, a coupon code that I can find for y'all. If you have tried Jurllyshe before, leave a comment down below. Let the other Diva Dolls know what your experience was. But overall, it's a very much get what you pay for. I'm glad I'm able to do these videos for you so you can see what to expect. And yeah, that's really it. Make sure you're following me on my brand new Instagram, which is at ChrissyTheDoll_official. Also follow me on my TikTok at ChrissyTheDoll and all my other channels. Also make sure you are subscribed to this channel as well as my fitness channel. And oh, and I already know you're gonna ask about my hair, so go ahead and stay tuned next for my install video. Thank y'all as always for supporting me, and stay fabulous and stay fierce.